Alright, here's my RACO bell from Pratt Avenue. As you can see right there, there's the RACO, there's the RACO logo there. And there's the bell mechanism. It works. Still, I had to do some adjusting right up there so that would ring a bit better. I might try that's my other bell. And right down there, as you can see, is the instruction information, which on this bell is complete because this bell's in pretty decent shape. I think it's partially because this one didn't really sit near the ocean like the other one, because the other one has a lot of corrosion on the inside. The electromagnet does work. I was able to adjust it so it would. However, coming to find out, the hammer on it, the hammer, the part that hits the bell, normally it's kind of a lump like that, but this one, it's got a dent there where it's been striking the bell, so it doesn't ring. But when I turn it on, as you can see, it runs. Kind of runs a bit unevenly. I'm not sure if that's my transformer or what, because I know some other bells kind of do it, so I think it might be related to my transformer. But yeah, right there's the hammer mechanism just trying to ring, and that's why you hear, that's why it clicks, is that this one, the hammer, is damaged. So I'm going to try and get into the bell to get that fixed. I mean, I'm going to see if I can at least like turn the hammer part of the hammer around so that it's striking with the undamaged part of the hammer. I might have to find a way to get a replacement. But the bolts, like the ones up here holding on the thing, holding on the rain shield, and the bolt on the front are all frozen solid here, it seems. So I'm going to need to put some WD-40 on, let them soak for a while, and see if I can get those fixed first before I get those loosened up before I continue work on this bell. But yeah, this thing does work though. I'm gonna actually try something. I mean, part of the reason my other RACO bell doesn't work is that the hammer on it is pretty stiff and frozen. So I might try bringing it out here, hooking it up and adjusting it, see if I can get it to work, at least attempt to work. But I don't think it'll be able to move because the hammer on this one's loose, whereas the other one, it's pretty frozen solid. I can move it if I manually, but that one's also going to need some loosening. But yeah, so the issues on this thing run a bit deeper than I had previously thought, but yeah. So yeah, kind of a video on the state of my RACO bell. Hang on. Yeah, that's where it goes to, because of how I have adjusted now. So yeah, over and out.